Hello and welcome to Only in Your Mind. My name is Natasha and this week's new addition to my SpongeBob face paint is Patrick. If you guys want to see how I did Patrick's face paint, just keep watching.
Hello guys, so we'll be doing Patrick today. I found this image of Patrick online and I'll be putting him on my forehead, and I'm using Paradise Pink with a filbert brush to get Patrick's body color. So I'm starting off with his head, and later on I'll be erasing this part because I wasn't sure really how high I wanted to take his head, but I left some space for his eyes too as well, and his arm's going to be right there. Here's his stomach, and then here is his belly and his back right here, and then I'm just going to go around right there, and then I'm going to do one leg right back here. So I'm taking some purple from Mehron as well on a number, I think that's a number 4 brush, and I'm going to make one of the flowers. And I'm just referring to the image to see where I want to place the flowers. And there's another one down there by his leg. And for the pants color, I am using lime green from Mehron. I really like this lime green. It's pretty cool looking. But anyways, so I am using that same number 3 brush that I used earlier. I just rinsed it out. And here is going to be his pant leg right there. I'm just going to go down and fill in that little flower area, and here is where I decided to just take off his head. And I'm gonna go up a little bit more and kind of like curve the way I want his head, and I'm gonna leave a spot for his eyes as well. And I'm gonna take a Q-tip and clean up that area. But I really enjoy doing these face paints. They have been so much fun to recreate these characters. Is pretty awesome. Here I am cleaning up to put his eyes, and I'm using Wolfe white for his eyeballs, and then I'm going to take another Q-tip and that other eye, this eye right here, I'm going to erase a little area because his cheek needs to go there. There we go, right in there. And I'm just going to fill it in with some of that pink. There we go. And his arm needs to go right here, so I'm going to kind of, curve it a little bit, and then there's some space in between his arm right there. And now it's time for the background of Patrick. I'm using this Artie cake, and it's from Silly Farm, and I really love this color combination for like mermaids and stuff, and I think it's called Slice. All of the stuff that I use will be in the description box below if you guys are curious and want to check it out. Now look at this color combination, it's so pretty. So there we go. I'm just going to fill in the background. Now for some eyeshadow, I'll be using this Fusion Leanne Pixie pastel palette. Too many P words, but anyways, I'll be using this one, and I'll be using this wonderful petal sponge that fits perfectly in the eye, and I'm going to put some on my under Patrick, and then with some Wolfe white I'll be putting it in the corner of my eyes and blending it out into the yellow. Then with some black I'll be giving myself some eyeliner and winging it out. There we go. And one of my must-have, very wonderful stencils, I'll be giving him dots all around him with this little dauber too that you can just pop on your finger, and it's so easy to use. And here we go. Dots all over the place. And I also decided to put some dots, as always, like I like to put in the corner of my eyelids and right under Patrick and on the other side. And there we go. He's just got so many dots everywhere. And I took some white from Mehron, gave myself a swirl on the sides of my eyes, and there's one little swirl inside, and then 1, 2, and 3 teardrops. And what I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other. Oh yeah, and here's a swirl down there at the bottom. There we go. So I'm going to use this fusion, and I think it's called Power Princess or Princess Power. Let's see. Power Princess. I'm going to use this pink, and I'm going to outline Patrick with the pink. Now, that's what it looked like in the image. He was outlined in pink, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I will be going over Patrick in black from Wolfe, and no matter what, it still turned out pretty good. So I've given him some little spots of that pink, and here we go. I'm going to start outlining Patrick, and here it is, all up in black. And basically, like my other designs, he's going to get 3 outlines because I did it in pink, I did it in the black, and then he will be getting some white as well. So for the next character, I think I'm going to do Mr. Krabs. Of course, I want to do Plankton, and maybe I'll do them together. I don't know. But I think it'll be cool for them just to have their own little face paint of their own. So I'll definitely, it'll be, you know, one of those. I'm not sure if I'm going to do Sandy. I'm debating. I might do Sandy, but I'm definitely going to do Mr. Krabs and Plankton because those are some really awesome characters and pretty much one of, you know, the major characters in SpongeBob. So here I am outlining the eyes, and here's the other eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and outline that cheek. Look at that cheek. It's really round. It's really cute. Give him a little smile, and then his little pupils inside with black. There we go. And here's his other one. And then he is going to need those eyebrows. Okay, so here is that eyebrow, and then the other eyebrow is a little bit higher. There we go. There is his eyebrows. And now it's time to do that third lining of Patrick. And it is the Wolfe white that I am using here. And we're just going to outline Patrick all the way around his body and kind of curve around that eyebrow right there. There we go. So with that same big brush, I decided that I was going to attempt to do 3 dots in Patrick's eyes, his pupils. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have just used a smaller brush, but whatever. So I gave him those dots, and then I took a smaller brush with some black and just fixed that mistake that I did. It's not a problem. But anyways, so with some pink glitter, we are going to make him sparkle. So I'm just going to put some pink glitter on him, and then some purple on the little flowers, and I'm going to put it in the background as well. And then with some green, I'm going to glitter up his pants. And then I'm going to use some glitter on my eyelids, add some yellow glitter as well. Then with the Fusion Power Princess palette, or not palette, but cake, I'm going to give myself some lipstick and add some dark purple to the top. We are coming to the end of this face paint. I really enjoyed doing this really cute Patrick. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And I hope to see you guys back for another character from SpongeBob. You guys are amazing.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I did Patrick Star's face paint from SpongeBob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And I said in my other SpongeBob video that I'll show you my crochet of Patrick. And here he is. Pretty cute, isn't he? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this face paint, please leave me a like if you want, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that little bell button down here to notify you when I have another video and my latest SpongeBob videos too as well. You guys have a wonderful weekend. God bless, and I'll see you guys on my next video.